Hello there, this is Rahul from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Peloton. So let me take you to the website, which is onepeloton.com. For the ones who don't know what is Peloton, Peloton is a company that is known for its interactive fitness platform and connected exercise equipment. It was founded in 2012 and has gained significant popularity for its unique approach to home fitness. Peloton offers a range of stationary exercise equipment, including stationary bikes, treadmills, which are equipped with touchscreens and internet connectivity. So you can come to the website and buy some product for yourself if you like. It's just good for fitness and sport, isn't it? You could have a good exercise, good time at your home if you like. So amazing place to buy such products. But what if I tell you there's a way you can earn money from Peloton? And you heard it right. You simply have to join the affiliate program of Peloton, and through the affiliate program, you can start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic. And when you bring sales to Peloton, guess what? You'll end up getting commission. Now, who can join the affiliate program or who can promote them? Anyone from around the world, it seems like they can join the affiliate program and start promoting them. Now, where can you promote them? Where is the availability of Peloton is? So you could promote them to the consumers from US, Canada, UK, Germany, and Australia. So it seems like Peloton is available currently in these 5 countries, and you can promote them to the consumers over those 5 countries that I have mentioned. Now let's talk about the affiliate program of theirs. But before that, is it really worth it? Let's look at the number and see how famous they are. So currently they are ranking at number 11,385 globally, and in the rank of sports, they are ranking at number 45. Now that's something. And if you see their monthly visit, they got over 5.2 million monthly visits. So people already know them. You simply have to promote them, and interested people will anyways end up making the purchase. So talking about the affiliate program, let me take you to the website called sowan.com. Now, why sowan.com, or what is sowan.com? So let's focus on the commerce side of Sowan. So Sowan Commerce is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. Now, what is an affiliate marketing network? Affiliate marketing network work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. So for affiliates to connect with the affiliate program of different brands, affiliates have to join the respective affiliate marketing network as well. So in our case, if you're interested to promote Peloton, then we have to join the Sowan Commerce network as an affiliate. So how do you join it? To join their affiliate network, simply click on commerce, click on affiliate marketing, which will take you to this URL. As you can see, someone.com commerce. I'm going to mention this link in the video description as well. Once you're here, you can click on get started and follow along the registration process. Now, I understand there are many nuances and there are many things you have to keep in mind when you create or register yourself with anyone. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with Soman Commerce. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instruction, and get yourself a Soman Commerce affiliate account. In the video, I also have mentioned how to utilize their affiliate dashboard. So it's sign up tutorial plus how to use Soman Commerce dashboard. So let's say you have an account with Soman Commerce, or you follow the instruction from the video and you got yourself an account with them. Then what? Come to this link directly, click on sign in, click on commerce, which will take you to this login page. Enter your credential, the email address and password combination, click on login, which will take you to something called dashboard and affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, but we will be only talking about the affiliate program of Peloton. So for that, you can click on commerce. Then from within commerce, you can click on approve merchants. And once you're here, you can click on all merchants, and over here, search for Peloton. You can, sometimes it's going to take a few seconds to load, so you can search for it. Once it has loaded, and then once you have typed the name, just click enter, and then you would be able to see the name of the brand, Peloton. Click on the hyperlink that says Peloton, and then it will open the program profile, the affiliate program profile of Peloton. So this is an affiliate program profile of Peloton. Now with Soman Commerce, things work differently. And other affiliate networks, you have to join or you have to send the applications to the brand. But in Soman Commerce, that's not the case. So when you will be going through with the registration process, they will be asking you to provide your web presence, which could be a website, a blog, a social media page, whatever it is, and they will validate And once you get the approval for that specific online presence of yours from Soven Commerce, you could just find any brand and take the link and start promoting them. You don't require brands approval for the affiliate program when it comes to the Soven Commerce affiliate dashboard. So once you're here on the Peloton affiliate program page, you would be able to see create a monetized link. We'll talk about it shortly. So you can simply enter product or site URL and generate links, which you can post on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, your site, or anywhere. So whatever profile or whatever online presence that you have given while creating an account with Someone Commerce, you can basically promote them over there, the Peloton over there. So it could be, it even includes social media profiles. So then if you scroll down, you will see in here 10% commission rate. So any sales that you bring to Peloton, you can expect to get 10% commission on it. That's amazing. Then these are the accepted domains. Now, how can you promote them? You can't just take any link from the website and start promoting them. It won't track commission. So you have to use tracking links which are meant for you. So let me show you how to create or how to generate your tracking link. For that, let's go to the Peloton website again, which is One Peloton. And let's say we are interested to promote this product of Peloton, which is Peloton bike, costs around 1,445. You can click here, which will take you to this page. This is the Peloton bike page. And let's say you want to promote this one. So I'm just going to take this URL. You can copy this. And once you've taken the URL, come to the affiliate dashboard of Someone Commerce for yours, get to the profile, click on create link, and then it will automatically select your site. So this is my YouTube channel. In your case, whatever online presence that you have given, it will select it. Otherwise, you can click on this drop down and select your channel accordingly, your online presence accordingly. Wherever you plan to promote this Peloton, you can select it accordingly from here. And then you can mention the URL in here, followed by the name of the product. So I would say, just copy in here for convenience. I can say Peloton bike. So this way you can give a name to it. And if you like, you can click on tracking, add other tracking parameters as well. Totally up to you. Then advanced settings as well you can do. But let's keep it simple if you're new. And once you've entered this information, like take any URL, doesn't matter, from Peloton, put it and click on create. Now what this will do, this will create a tracking link for you. And it's very important if you're promoting Peloton, you should be using tracking links which are meant for you. So how would it look? So when I clicked on create, you see, so this is the URL. This is a tracking URL. Now, if I press it, see this URL would turn into this URL. So it basically take the person to the same web page. It's just a tracking URL, which is meant for me. Now, all the URLs that I will create like this, your tracking URLs, I would be able to see them if I go to create link section. Over there, I would be able to see all the tracking links that I've created for Peloton or for any other brand on Someone Commerce website, or rather the dashboard. Now let's say you started creating the links, but where can you promote them? That's the question. Of course, you should be promoting them only on online presence where you got the approval, but what online presence could it be? Like which online presence is best suited for Peloton promotion? So let me take you to this list of mine that I have created for you, which will give you some basic idea. So one is website or blog. Doesn't matter, whatever kind of website you got, put the advertisement anywhere on your website, totally up to you. And then we got blog. Now blog is good. You could write blog posts about different Peloton products, and then at the end of each blog post just mention that if you're interested about the product, here's your link, and sure you use your tracking link over there. So this way, when person is reading your blog post, if they like it, they will click on tracking link and make the purchase. You'll get a commission. Now, second best way I like is the sports and or fitness website. So let's say you got a sports website or you got a fitness website. You could promote Peloton on those websites. Since the category of your website would be sports and fitness, people would come over there to learn about those things. So they're highly likely to go to the Peloton website and make the purchase. So the conversion rate on these kind of websites would be higher, in my opinion. Then comes social media. Now, social media would be great, like doesn't matter whatever kind of social media account you got, like a Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Then we got YouTube as well. So you could simply create videos, reels, posts about different products of Peloton and just provide your tracking links, somewhere in the description or comment, so people can click on it, makes the purchase if they're interested. You must have seen those kind of reels or videos yourself, isn't it? So social media, in my opinion, would be the best way to promote them. But wherever you're promoting them, ensure you have gotten the approval from someone commerce for that. So let's say you started promoting them on the approved channels of yours after creating the links. Where would you see your performance, like sales and commission? So again, for that, you can come to the someone affiliate dashboard. Over here, you can click on go to commerce and go to analytics, and this is the place where you will be able to see your performance, which should include your sales that you must have brought to different brands, then your commission as well. Now, how will you get the commission for it? So someone commerce will get the commission from Peloton in our case, and they will issue the commission to us. So all you have to do is to ensure that you have up-to-date payment method on someone commerce account. So for that, you can look at the bottom left hand side and click on your profile icon account, and then over here you can click on payment. And when you click on it, it will take you to a section where you would be able to update your payment method. You will have 4 payment methods to select from. You got check, PayPal, wire transfer, and local bank transfer. So you can select your payment methods accordingly and update your payment details. And once you've updated, you can expect the payment from Someone Commerce if you bring any sales to Peloton. There's another requirement. Someone Commerce would only be able to issue commission to you once you've exceeded $25. So your accumulated commission in Someone Commerce affiliate account should exceed $25. So that's the minimum requirement. So this is how you find the affiliate program of Peloton. You start promoting them, you start bringing sales to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in finding the affiliate program of Peloton, start promoting them. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.